Hey guys, Dirt and Rust here. Got this saw last week at an estate sale. You probably saw it in my last haul video. It's a dovetail saw or back saw. Just thinking about cleaning it up, mainly because of something that I found in right here. There's actually a design in the back of this rust. There's a fine lined, kind of a fancy design, if you can see it there. And I tried the wire wheel to get it off, but it's not coming off. So what I'm going to do is put it in a rust bath and go ahead and take this handle off and see if I can't bring that design out. Hopefully I can. So I'm going to get to it. See you in a bit. Okay guys, it's been about 2 days. It's been sitting in there. Looks like there's some rust coming off. So I'm going to start scrubbing it down a little bit here in a second. Alright, let's take a look here and see what's going on. Let's see. Well, the whole thing turned black, so I don't know if that's good or what, because yeah, I don't know if I'm going to be able to see the etching anymore. Wow. So we will see. We'll see if there's a miracle and I can get something out of that. But for right now, it's totally black. So I'm gonna go spray it down with the hose and see if some of this stuff comes off. Okay guys, I sprayed this thing off with some water out in the backyard, and then I've just been kind of scrubbing it with this Scotch-brite pad here. And then I'm probably going to use my conditioning belt that I have on this next. And we'll see if we could hopefully see that that design in there. I don't know if you guys can make that out. Probably not. Anyway, there is a design in there. It's just not catching the right light. Kind of see it there. Anyway, there's only so much I can do. Alright, to hand sanding. Okay guys, I am all done with the saw. That's about as far as I'm going to take it. I think it turned out pretty good. Wish I could see this etching on here a little better, but you can kind of see it. I can just make out, it looks like it says Crescent here. I've tried to research and find something that looks like this etching. Can't find anything, so if you guys know if this etching looks familiar to you, let me know. If you know the maker's mark. I'll try to put some close-up photos on the end here and Photoshop them a little bit and see if there's anything to be made out, and if you detectives out there want to try to figure it out, I'd appreciate it. So anyways, that'll be it. Thanks for watching. Bye.